Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a different video. It's kind of like how I did my makeup in high school or like secondary school kind of tag, but instead of doing like a full face, I wanted to focus it on the main products that I used to use all the time but I just don't use it anymore, and it's mainly based on the naked palette because I actually can't remember the last time I used my naked palette. Like, I've hit pan on a couple of the eyeshadows like Virgin just down here and Sidecar. Sidecar is probably my favourite out of the whole palette, but I can't remember the last time I actually used this. And then I have a few other products that I haven't used in so long that I kind of want to use again. So for like the face and all that, I'm going to skip through really quickly, but I just moisturise my face and I'm going to prime my face using the Professional Primer by Benefit. Then I'm gonna go into my foundation. I use my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This is the best colour for me right now. And then just using my Real Techniques complexion sponge. Okay, going into concealer now. I'm gonna use my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer in the shade 005 Light Natural. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. translucent eye setting powder under my eyes. Okay, onto my eyebrows. I ever did my eyebrows when I first started wearing makeup. Like, that was just a thing. Actually, I'm gonna use a different product instead of my Anastasia. I'm gonna use the Brow Archery from I'm gonna use my Brow Archery pencil from Soap and Glory. This is in the shade Hot Chocolate, and this is actually really nice. I love this pencil for just like quick eyebrows. Now onto the fun part. I primed my eyes already with a bit of concealer, but when I got the Naked Palette set, it came with a brush, which I think I still have. It also came with a little primer potion thing that it was like a little tester, and it was really nice, but I just prefer to use my concealer. So now I'm going to go into the palette, and just a refresher, this is what it looks like. So we have Virgin, Sin, Naked, Sidecar, Book, Half Baked, Smog, Dark Horse, Toasted, Hustle, Creep, and Gunmetal. I really like the tone of this palette. It's like quite warm toned, so I'm just gonna go straight into it with my Inglot, and I'm gonna pick up Naked first, which is this one right here. I'm gonna use this as my transition shade. Okay, so that's Naked on my eyes. It's a little bit more like, I don't know, darker than I thought. I don't know, I thought it was a little bit lighter. But anyway, going into Book next, which is this one right here. I'm going to put this deeper into the crease. I'm just going to use my PS230 brush for this. It just looks like that. It's a little bit fluffy. Sorry, my camera just caught out there. It's actually dying now, but it might be the fact that this palette is, let me think, God, this palette is nearly 5 years old, but it's kind of looking a little bit muddy on my face. Now going into the darker tones, I think I might take Dark Horse. That's what I usually used to do with this kind of look, and just put this directly on the outer corner. That's a lot darker than I thought it would be, and there's a lot of fallout as well. The lighting is really bad, and it's making it look a lot worse than it actually is in like person. But I kind of smudged the fallout under here, and I kind of had to like go over it. On to the inner corner part, or the yeah, the inner part of my lid. And I'm going to take Sidecar, which is like my favourite shade out of the whole palette. But what I like to do with this is just use Fix Plus, because this does cause a lot of fallout, so I like to make sure that doesn't happen. I'm just going to try blend in the colour with the darker colour, just so it like seamlessly blends. And you can already tell like the fallout, like there's sparkles all over my face, but it's just such a beautiful colour, I love it. Okay, so to highlight the inner corner and my brow bone, I'm going to go in with Virgin, which is this shade right here, and it's just the perfect highlighter for the inner corner and your brow bone. It's just amazing. It's really, really nice. And then I'm going to do my under eyes the same way I did like my eyeshadow. So I'm going to actually just go in really small pencil brush by Blank Canvas, the E37. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go into Naked. I run this all under my lower lash line. And then I'm going to go into Dark Horse and just do the outer part. And then for the inner part of my lower lash line, I'm going to take the same brush that I used Sidecar with and just go underneath there. Okay, so I did that and I just put some mascara on. My battery's on 2%, so I'm going to try and get through this really quick. I forgot to set my face, so I'm going to be doing that with the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder. Going on to bronzer, I'm just going to use my Hoola bronzer that I usually use with an angled brush. Just really lightly, because I don't really want too much going on. For blush, Essence Silky Touch blush. And finally for highlighter, I'm going back to the Balm, the Mary Luminizer highlighter. I still love this stuff, but I haven't used this in so long, so I'm going to use this today with my crown brush. Like, this is just such a nice subtle highlighter, like you can see. And I literally am gonna just put some MAC Viva Glam 2 lipstick. I've been using this for so long, so. And that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this and throwing it back with me with the Naked palette and my Mary Luminizer and a few other products. But my camera is literally gonna die, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. My camera still hasn't died yet.